fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness. Come inside my heart, show me the way, help me to understand, so that I can partake the joys of your goodness. Embrace me with your love, lift up my spirit, so I can see you up above. Open my eyes so that I can see your grace and mercy is what I need. Bring down your spirit, let it rain on me. I need your blessing, let it rain on me. I'm here on my knees, praying for forgiveness. You know all my needs. Before I speak, you will respond. I need your blessing, I need your grace. Please save my soul, I wanna see your face. Open my eyes so that I can see, your grace and mercy is what I need. Let it rain down your spirit, let it rain on me. I need your blessing, let it rain on me. I've tried, there's nowhere else to turn. Won't hide, because I need to learn. There's no other name but Jesus. No other name but Jesus. Tender love is what I'm searching for. Grace and mercy you give more and more. I need you now. I need you now, Jesus. Just open my eyes, open my eyes, so that I can see your grace and mercy. Your grace and mercy is what I need. I need bring down your spirit, let it rain on me. Lord, I need you. I need your blessing, let it rain on me. Bring down your spirit, let it rain on me. Let it fall down, Jesus. Let it rain on me. Said I need your blessing, Jesus.